Hello and welcome to this video on digital marketing. I am Debojyoti Banerjee, visiting faculty at the Management Department of Brainware University and founder and director of sevenboats, a leading digital agency and digital marketing training institute in India. So today I will discuss the importance of digital marketing and why it is crucial for aspiring students to learn it for building a successful career. As you may know, digital marketing is the promotion of products or services using digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and mobile apps. Now, in today's digital age, the importance of digital marketing cannot be overstated. Digital marketing has revolutionized the way businesses communicate with their target audience and has become a vital component of the marketing strategy. Nowadays, consumers are increasingly using digital platforms to research products and services before making a purchase. Now, digital marketing provides businesses with the opportunity to reach their target audience where they are already spending their time. So this means that businesses can now create a more targeted and personalized approach of marketing, increasing their chances of success. So, digital marketing also offers businesses the ability to track the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns in real time. This means they can make data-driven decisions and optimize their campaigns for maximum impact. This is particularly important for businesses with limited marketing budget, as digital marketing allows for a more cost-effective approach of marketing. So now let's talk about why digital marketing is important for aspiring students looking to build a successful career. Now, firstly, digital marketing is one of the fastest growing industries globally, and the demand for digital marketing professionals is on the rise. So this means that there are plenty of job opportunities available in this digital marketing industry with competitive salaries and a range of career paths to choose from. So here are some statistics that I want to demonstrate here for the growth of digital marketing as a career in India. I just want to highlight few statistics here. According to a report by LinkedIn, digital marketing was among the top 10 most in-demand jobs in India in 2020. Now, as a report by Digital Marketing Institute, the digital marketing industry in India is expected to grow at a rate of 30% annually, creating a huge demand for skilled professionals. And a report by KPMG and Google estimated that the Indian digital advertising industry is expected to reach a market size of 539 billion by 2023. The same is suggested that number of digital marketing jobs in India is expected to reach 1.5 lakh by 2025. And there is a huge demand of digital marketing professionals. Now, according to a report by Times of India, digital marketing professionals in India can expect to earn an average salary around 4 to 6 lakhs INR per annum, with higher salaries for experienced professionals, obviously. Now, moreover, digital marketing is a very dynamic and ever-changing field. That means that there is always something new to learn. This makes it very exciting and challenging career choice with plenty of opportunities for growth and development. Now, digital marketing is also a very versatile field with opportunities to specialize in areas such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, inbound marketing, and more. So that means aspiring students can tailor their career path to their specific interests and strengths, creating a rewarding and fulfilling career. So finally, digital marketing is a field that rewards creativity, innovation, and strategic thinking. This means that aspiring students can use their unique skills and talents to make a real impact in digital marketing industry. So with the right mindset and training, anyone can succeed in this digital marketing and can build a very successful career. So here are some more statistics I want to highlight regarding digital marketing growth in India. A report by Internet and Mobile Association of India, that is IAMAI, and Nielsen, they projected that India's internet user base will reach 900 million plus by 2025, creating a huge potential market for digital marketers. The same report also projected that India's e-commerce market will grow at a CAGR of 30% to reach a market size of $200 billion by 2026. It's a huge opportunity for digital marketers. A report by Group M suggested that the digital ad spends in India are expected to grow 26% after 2021. So 29% of total ad spends in the country, that is accountable for that. According to a report by Statista, the social media user base in India is projected to reach over 500 million by 2023, making social media marketing a crucial component of any digital marketing strategy. Another report by LinkedIn suggests that digital marketing skills such as social media, SEO, social search engine marketing, these are among the top skills in demand by the employers in India. So, in conclusion, I can say digital marketing is a vital component of any marketing strategy in today's digital age. Aspiring students looking to build successful career should consider digital marketing as a lucrative and very exciting career path. With the right mindset and training, anyone can succeed in digital marketing and make a real impact in the industry. Thank you, all of you, for watching this, and I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the importance of digital marketing. See you again. Thank you.